Emergency vehicles names and sounds.
SWAT Truck. SWAT Truck. This is a SWAT truck. It carries special police officers and their equipment during dangerous missions. The truck is strong, armored, and helps protect officers in high-risk situations.
Airport fire truck. Airport fire truck. This is an airport fire truck. It is used to respond to airplane emergencies and fires at airports. It can spray water or foam very quickly to put out large fires and keep passengers and crew safe. Fire truck. Fire truck. This is a fire truck. Firefighters use it to rush to fires and carry hoses, ladders, and water tanks. Its loud siren and flashing red lights warn people to move aside so the firefighters can arrive quickly and save lives. Police car. This is a police car. It is used by police officers to patrol the city, stop crimes, and keep everyone safe. The police car moves quickly and has bright flashing lights and a loud siren to clear the way in emergencies. Ambulance. Ambulance. This is an ambulance. It carries sick or injured people to the hospital quickly. Inside, there are medical tools and doctors or nurses who give emergency care. Air ambulance plane. Air ambulance plane. This is an air ambulance plane. It flies patients from one place to another when they need fast medical transport. It has special equipment just like a hospital room. Firefighting helicopter. Firefighting helicopter. This is a firefighting helicopter. It flies over forests or mountains and drops water on big wildfires to stop them from spreading. Hospital ship. Hospital ship. This is a hospital ship. It travels to places affected by disasters to help people in need. Inside are doctors, nurses, and full medical rooms just like in a real hospital. Firefighting drone. Firefighting drone. This is a firefighting drone. It can fly into dangerous areas and drop water or fire retardant to help firefighters put out flames safely. Water bomber plane. Water bomber plane. This is a water bomber plane. It carries large amounts of water and drops it from the sky to fight forest fires. Fire rescue hovercraft. Fire rescue hovercraft. This is a fire rescue hovercraft. It can move over both land and water to reach fire or rescue sites quickly, even during floods. Police van. Police van. This is a police van. It is used to carry police officers, equipment, or sometimes suspects. The van is large and strong, perfect for city patrols and special missions. Police motorcycle. Police motorcycle. This is a police motorcycle. It helps officers move through traffic quickly, chase vehicles, and respond fast to emergencies. Rescue helicopter. Rescue helicopter. This is a rescue helicopter. It flies to mountains, oceans, or disaster areas to save people who are trapped or injured. Fire chief car. Fire chief car. This is a fire chief car. It carries the fire chief, who directs firefighters during emergencies. The car is fast and has red flashing lights to reach the scene quickly. Rescue boat. Rescue boat. This is a rescue boat. It is used to save people during floods or sea accidents. The boat moves quickly on water and carries life-saving equipment. Ladder truck. Ladder truck. This is a ladder truck. It has a long, extendable ladder to reach tall buildings and help firefighters rescue people or put out fires from above. Hazmat truck. Hazmat truck. This is a hazmat truck. It is used when there are dangerous chemicals or materials. The team wears special suits to clean up and keep everyone safe.